I would call this the overhand 4-petal anti-spin reversal to giant or to 0-petal flower. What we're doing now is a reversal in the front position with the right hand and the back position with the left hand. This is an actual micro combo. So I'll show you the move. This is the 4-petal. That's the one move. This is the other move. This is the first move. This is the second move. This is the first move. This is the second move. So technically, I would call this an infinite combination between the two. Once you can connect these two together, it feels like you have a new move, but really, it's just a combo using two moves you know. We'll do a 4-petal anti-spin with the left hand, and then when you get to the back position, do a reversal to in-spin, then do a reversal in the back to anti-spin. So we're just reversing in the back position between in-spin in the giant and then anti-spin. So if you're in-spin like this, when you get to the back position, you can stop it and do a circle if you need to, and then you reverse your arm and you pop it down to the bottom, front, top, back, down, front, top, back, down, front, top, back. And then when you get to the back, reverse and go over the top in the in-spin. And then when you get to the back, we're gonna reverse again to the anti-spin, so you'll bring it down, front, top, back. And then when you get to the back, reverse again. And then when you get to the back, reverse again. And then when you get to the back, reverse again. And then when you get to the back, reverse again. And you just keep reversing in the back position. Okay, so we'll do 5 more sets. And then in-spin, reverse, and anti-spin, reverse. In-spin, reverse, anti-spin, reverse. In-spin, reverse to anti-spin, reverse. In-spin, reverse, anti-spin, reverse. And last one, in-spin, and then last one to anti-spin, and down with your left arm in the front again. And then you go anti-spin, so up, back, bottom, front, then come down and across the top, then up, back, bottom, front, then down and across the top, then up, back, bottom, front, then down and across, then up, back, bottom, front, then down and across, then up, back, down, front, then around, and then up and back and bottom, front, and around, and the in-spin, and then in-spin from the front, and anti-spin from the front, and in-spin from the front, anti-spin from the front, go down and in-spin, then up and anti-spin, down and in-spin, up and anti-spin, down and in-spin, and the last time an anti-spin going up and in-spin going down. Grab your balls, please. All right, we're here like this. To do the anti-spin, we'll go around this way. And then to do the in-spin, we go around this way. To do the anti-spin, lift the right arm up and go back with it and around and come under. To do the in-spin, bring the right arm down and go around and over. And then anti-spin, right arm up and around and under. Spin right arm over the top. And then anti-spin, go back. And anti-spin, and in-spin, go forward. Anti-spin, in-spin. Anti-spin, in-spin. Anti-spin, in-spin, anti-spin, in-spin, 3 more times, anti-spin, dun, 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 in-spin, whoosh, anti-spin, dun, 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 in-spin, and last time, bum, 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 and in-spin to the front. Let's do 1 time around in anti-spin. So the left goes down, the right goes up, bum, 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 back to where you were, where you started, and now we'll reverse, the left goes up, and the right goes down in the in-spin. And now we're here again. So then we'll reverse. The right goes up, left goes down, choo, 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 choo. And then we'll reverse. The left goes up and the right goes down. And then the left goes down, right goes up. And then the left goes up, right goes down. And then the right goes up, left goes down. And then so on and so on. And then all you do is just keep reversing every time. You're in this position and you do in-spin once around. And you just stop where you were. And now you go anti-spin. So right goes up, left goes down, and you go back to where you started. And then keeping it in split time from here, you do your in-spin. They both go the same way. So your arms never cross over each other. So they're always either going forward like this in in-spin or backwards like this in anti-spin. They're not gonna do this. You're here. You have to remember from this position, because you're used to starting your 4-petal, what, like this maybe? So instead of like this, you're offset 1 position forward, and then go around from there. And then go around from there. So it looks to me like you're not comfortable starting in the anti-spin from that position. So I think what you'll benefit from in practice is, I'm holding this 5, 6, 7, 8, just anti-spin one time around, and 5, 6, 7, 8, anti-spin one time around, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, anti-spin one time around. Because if you can't access the anti-spin, the reversal is like impossible, right? How do you reverse if you can't get into the anti-spin? I do think once you've gotten to the point where you can comfortably 5, 6, 7, 8 get into your anti-spin, then you're ready to try the 1 in-spin, 1 anti-spin, rest 6, 7, 8, 1 in-spin, 1 anti-spin, rest 6, 7, 8, 1 anti-spin, 1 in-spin, rest 6, 7, 8, 1 anti-spin, 1 in-spin. And you'll notice I did 2 where I went in-spin, then anti-spin, and then I did 2 where I went anti-spin, then in-spin. In theory, you should be able to do both. And then ultimately, you can do this and enter either way.